Welcome to the Prepper Almanac. We are thrilled to have you here today, and your presence is deeply appreciated. Today we're going to discuss an interesting topic: the best survival foods preppers can pick up at the supermarket. We all contemplate our readiness for societal breakdown, cataclysmic events, widespread disasters, or extensive economic downturns. But how does your food stockpile fare when examined? Preparedness is not solely about clawing our way through disasters, it's about flourishing amidst uncertainty. It's the tranquility that springs from knowing you have a plan, and the necessary means to carry it out. A blunder many commit is succumbing to panic buying upon realizing the delicate nature of our society. They storm the supermarkets, loading there with canned goods and other long-lasting items. But this is not the wisest move. You surely don't want to be saddled with food items you don't savor or aren't adept at preparing. The trick lies in creating a food stockpile that comprises of items you relish, offering ample nutrition, and boasting a considerable shelf life. Foods with multiple usage possibilities are definitely a plus. So let's steer away from panic buying and commence building our survival food stockpile gradually and consistently. If you find today's video, we'd love for you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a great deal to us. Don't forget to watch the video till the end and share your ideas and opinions on the video in the comment section below. Let's dive into the first set of survival food items that you can easily find in your local supermarket. First up, we have apple cider vinegar. This versatile ingredient is packed with vitamins and minerals and has antifungal properties, which makes it great for cleaning surfaces and many other things. Next, we have bottled water. Not technically a food, but hydration is key for survival. Bottled water has an incredibly long shelf life and can be found in any grocery store. Third on our list, canned fish. It may not sound particularly appetizing, but it's one of the most nutritious and shelf-stable options available. It's packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. Next is canned fruits and vegetables. These are great for stocking up on essential nutrients without taking up too much space. Most cans will last up to 2 years when stored correctly, making them perfect for long-term storage. Now let's discuss canned meat. Meat is a great source of protein and other essential nutrients, but it can be challenging to keep fresh in an emergency. That's why canned meat is a great option. Canned soup. It has an incredibly long shelf life, up to 5 years, making it ideal for storing in case of an emergency or disaster situation. Plus, there are so many varieties available that you won't get bored. Cereals. They last for months without needing refrigeration and can be eaten on their own or mixed with other ingredients like dried fruits or nuts for more of a nutritional punch. Coffee and tea. Not strictly essential in terms of nutrition, but having some on hand can be incredibly helpful during tough times. Plus, the coffee grounds are very useful. Next is cornmeal. Like flour, it's another versatile ingredient with a long shelf life and is perfect for baking treats like cornbread or pancakes during emergencies. It contains lots of fiber, vitamins and minerals including iron and zinc, which are important for staying healthy. These items form the basis of your survival food stockpile, providing essential nutrients and versatility. Moving forward, let's explore more survival food items to add to your stockpile. The next item is dried beans. These humble legumes are an excellent source of protein and fiber, and their long shelf life makes them an ideal survival food. Plus, they're versatile, easy to cook, and can be used in a variety of dishes. Next up, we have dried fruit. Not only does dried fruit provide a sweet treat for when you're craving something sugary, but it also packs a nutritional punch. It's rich in vitamins and fiber, and can be stored for up to a year. Next on our list is dried pasta. Pasta is a staple in many households, and for a good reason. It's filling, easy to cook, and can be paired with a variety of sauces and ingredients. What's more, it can last up to 2 years in your pantry. Honey is our next must-have item. This natural sweetener has an indefinite shelf life if stored properly. It's also loaded with antioxidants and can be used for medicinal purposes like treating wounds and soothing sore throats. Next is instant coffee. It's not a survival item, but it does provide a much-needed caffeine boost, and also has a long shelf life. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store. It's also easy to grab real quick at the store. Next, we have jerky. This dried meat product is high in protein, requires no cooking, and can last up to 2 years if unopened. What about nuts and seeds? These nutritional powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can be stored for up to a year, and are a great snack option. Oats are our next item. They're a nutritious breakfast option that's high in fiber and can be stored for up to 2 years. Plus, they're versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. Powdered milk. This dairy alternative has a long shelf life and can be used in recipes that call for milk. And now quinoa. This super grain is high in protein and fiber and can be stored for up to 2 years. It's a great alternative to rice and pasta. And I've actually learned to love quinoa myself. At first I didn't like it, but now I do. So definitely try different stuff and combinations. What do you think of the list so far? Again, these are items you can pick up at the grocery store now. We're not done yet. Here are more survival food items to consider. What about dried beans? These gems are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed full of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. They're also very filling and have a long shelf life. Next, we have dried pasta. Durable, long-lasting, and versatile dried pasta is a must-have in any survival pantry. It's a great source of carbohydrates for energy and can be used in a multitude of dishes. How about dried spices and herbs? These may seem like a luxury and not a survival item, but they can make a huge difference in the taste of your meals. They also have a long shelf life and can have medicinal properties, and they don't take up a lot of space. Space considerations are crucial for preppers. We can't forget about honey. This natural sweetener has an indefinite shelf life and is packed full of antioxidants. Plus, it can be used for wound care due to its antibacterial properties. What about instant mashed potatoes? These are light, compact, and can last for years. They're also a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Next is one of my personal favorites, jerky. This is a lightweight, high-protein food that can last up to 2 years. It's also a tasty snack that can provide a morale boost when needed. Nuts and seeds. These are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also calorie-dense, making them an excellent energy source. What about oatmeal? This filling and nutritious food is a great source of fiber and can help keep you full for longer. It also has a long shelf life and can be eaten hot or cold. Powdered milk is next. This is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, and it can be used in a variety of recipes. It also has a long shelf life when stored properly. Rice. This staple food is a great source of carbohydrates for energy and can last for years when stored properly. Moving on, we have salt, an essential mineral for our bodies. It also serves as a preservative for foods and can even be used to cure meat. Lastly, we have white rice. It's a staple food item that's high in calories and can be stored for up to 10 years. With this list, you're now equipped to build a comprehensive, nutritious, and long-lasting survival food stockpile from items you can grab at the grocery store. Remember, it's not just about having enough to eat, but also ensuring what you eat keeps you healthy and energized. Also remember that there are other survival foods and even other foods that are a higher priority. Today I wanted to focus on what can be picked up quickly at the grocery store. Now that you know what to stockpile, it's time to take action. Preparedness isn't about panic buying or hoarding, but about thoughtful and steady accumulation of essentials. It's about considering what you and your loved ones enjoy eating, and what can sustain you in the long run. It's about understanding the importance of nutrition, shelf life, and versatility of foods. So don't rush, start slow. Add 1 or 2 of these items to your shopping list each week. Build a stockpile that is diverse and balanced. Consider the alternative uses of these items like cleaning and deodorizing and how they can serve you beyond just being food. Remember, preparedness is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about taking one step at a time, and that first step starts with what you put in your shopping cart the next time you're at the supermarket. Remember, preparedness is about taking one step at a time. Start adding these items to your shopping list and build your survival food stockpile today. As we wrap up today's video, we'd like to invite you to engage with our prepping community. Do you have any questions about survival food stockpiling? Are there any other prepping topics you'd like us to delve into in future videos? Please let us know in the comments section below. We always appreciate your input and love getting video ideas from you, our viewers. Your feedback doesn't just help us, it helps the entire community. It sparks discussions, shares knowledge, and builds a stronger, more prepared community. So, don't hesitate to share your thoughts on today's video. And if you found our content valuable, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future prepping guides, and you can share our content with others who may be interested in or curious about prepping. Lastly, based on YouTube's algorithm and your viewing history, we've got another video we think you'll enjoy. You'll find it in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Check it out and continue your journey to preparedness. Thank you for watching the Prepper Almanac.